5. I said 5 loudest sounds of Mother Nature caught on camera. Am I one of them? I've been told I'm loud. I'm gonna use my earphones for this one. Let's check this out.
Oh putain. Oh putain. Oh putain.
Oh, I'll say from that angle, that's loud. These sounds can kill a human. Are you serious? No way. I gotta look that up. This is gonna be loud.
Right over my head.
That was hot. Oh. Whoa. Holy shit, I've never seen it before. Whoa!
Watch out for the shark, it's coming.
Oh! Wow, they caught a meteor? Oh, I think I've seen this, but I didn't hear it.
Нихуя себе, это что такое?
Lit up the whole sky. Oh!
Ебать, а!
Whoa! It shattered the glass. What? A scream. I had a scream too. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look, the Rockslide, first of all, the 5 scariest things on the planet. You got a Rockslide. You got Spermwhales that can kill you with sound. You got lightning, volcanoes, and meteors. That's what should have been the 5 scariest things you don't want to see in person. Yo. I liked this video. I'm going to have to do some more top 5s and top 10s and top 20s. That's crazy. Well, I know now. If I see a meteor, cover my ears. I know now. If I see a volcano erupt, cover my ears, then run. I already know not to be around for lightning. Now I know not to swim with sperm whales. And I know not to be in the mountains for no damn rock slides. So, let me know what you all think. Have you been present for any of these things? 10 million subscribers! Woo!